You're gonna love this guy. I actually fell asleep the last time I was here.
Yeah, I had a rough week. I'm overdue for some relaxation.
How late were you at the police station last night?
2 a.m. I called out of work today. My boss approved it.
But the police caught him, right? He's not gonna do this to anybody else?
Yeah, I filed a restraining order. My apartment's technically a crime scene right now, so Brian let me crash on his couch.
Good. Oh, he's coming.
Welcome everyone. Please lay down, place your blindfolds on. This will be an auditory only experience. Let all of your past wash away. Let all of your thoughts of remorse, guilt, or regret pass through you. Regret. What a funny word. Let it be just that, a funny word and nothing else. I want you all to drift away. Think of something mundane. A list of your favorite films, ingredients to a much-loved dish, and repeat them over and over in your head until they become meaningless.
Coda, Nomadland, Parasite,
George Washington,
Green Book,
John Adams,
The Shape of
Thomas
Water,
Jefferson,
Moonlight,
James
Spotlight,
Madison, James
Two
Monroe,
small boxes
John
instant
Quincy
vanilla
Adams,
pudding,
Andrew Jackson,
3 cups milk,
Martin Van Buren,
1 8-ounce sour cream, 1 8-ounce whipped topping, 1 12-ounce box vanilla wafers, 6 bananas,
Franklin Pierce,
Coda,
2 small boxes
Nomadland,
instant vanilla pudding,
Parasite,
Abraham Lincoln,
3
Green
cups
Book,
milk,
Andrew
The Shape of
Johnson,
1
Water,
8-ounce sour
Ulysses
cream,
S. Grant,
Spotlight,
1
George
8-ounce
Washington,
whipped topping,
John
12
Adams,
Years a
one
Slave,
Thomas
12-ounce
Jefferson,
box vanilla
The
James
wafers,
Artist,
Madison,
The Hurt,
6
James
bananas,
Monroe,
The King's Speech,
John
2
Quincy
small
Adams,
boxes
Andrew
instant
Jackson,
vanilla
No Country
pudding,
for Old
3 cups milk,
John
2
Tyler,
small boxes
James
instant
Caple,
vanilla pudding,
Zachary Taylor,
3 cups milk,
Millard
1
Fillmore,
8-ounce
Frank-
sour cream, 1 8-ounce whipped topping, 1 12-ounce box vanilla wafers, 6 bananas, 2 small boxes instant vanilla pudding, 3 cups milk, 1 8-ounce sour cream, 1 8-ounce whipped topping.
Hello, Anthony.